So what is up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my most recent CS project and a tool that I use. So if you don't know, I'm a UCSD Math CS student and I'm doing my first programming class at university. So basically in our newest project, what we had to do is we had to create 3 functions that can help analyze a large data set. And in this project, we were allowed to use Copilot. So if you don't know what Copilot is, it's essentially a coding tool. It's very similar to like ChatGPT, but for coding. Now essentially whatever you type in it, whatever you type or ask it, it'll tell you what to code. And this is essentially a very good tool, especially for large scale projects. And if you are a university student, in most cases, it will be free to use instead of paying the monthly subscription. However, one thing I noticed is that using Copilot, you won't really learn anything. Like knowing what is coded is different and knowing what to code is different. Like one requires you to think about what to code, which is the hardest part of coding in my opinion. And being able to understand what it's coding is pretty easy, especially because it's like we're learning very basic topics right now, like for loops, while loops, etc. So I think when you are an introductory CS student, do not use Copilot. Only if you're doing like a large scale project where it can like reduce your workload by a lot, then do it. But for learning purposes, using Copilot will definitely like hurt you more than help you. Like once you do get proficient in whatever you're trying to do, then you could use Copilot. But I think in the beginning stages, especially for me, I don't think I should be using Copilot as much as I am. I just used it for this one project to see how it works. And I realized essentially you won't learn anything. Like whatever I typed in English, I just said like make a function that does this. And it did exactly that. And in most cases, it's not wrong because it is very basic code that you're writing. So if there is a chance or opportunity for you not to use Copilot, do not use it, and ChatGPT as well, because being able to know what to code is the hardest part, especially when you first start. You have to be able to think in a certain way, which you won't be able to do if you just use these tools. So if you guys did enjoy the video, please do leave a like and subscribe, and also comment down below what videos you'd like to see, and thank you for watching.